Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter blog and I'm here today with an Easter themed pen pal letter. Okay, so I know that I've done some more of these videos before. Usually they were focused a lot on making these pretty cards or flip books or whatever, and today I want to show you how to make a pretty little letter package, going a little bit back to basics, but still, how back to basics can you go when you have a lot of craft supplies? I don't know. But I hope you enjoy it. I know I say this in pretty much every video, but today I actually will try to limit my talking and I will put it to music and hopefully you will enjoy watching it. Oh, before I forget, I know that most of you don't watch my videos all the way through the end, so I'm just going to ask you right now. I would be super grateful if you would subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Okay, have fun! Okay, so I'm coming close to wrapping this up. I'm not done yet. I'll just show you what I have for now. I have this cute little Happy Easter mail tag card that I made. For the decorations I used the animal dots, and actually the packaging of the stickers that I put in one of the envelopes. This was just a packaging, but I thought it looked really cute. Then inside I still have to write the mail tags and my answers, but I will get to that in a second. Then I just made this cute little, I don't know how you call this, like this string tied envelope. I think it worked out really well. I love the color of this paper. And I used the Hello Easter that was actually, this was just on the bottom of the sheet that I showed you. It was actually more like a banner, but I thought it looked cute, so I cut it out. And the stickers and some more animal dots. And here is like a piece of the ribbon, some washi tape samples and the stickers. And then in here I made this pretty envelope with the Easter paper, and in here we have the paper that I decorated. I have a lot of letter paper, but I really like the idea of decorating your own letter paper, so I did that now. Just chose 3 pretty colors and I rounded the edges with my paper punch, and then I put some of the scraps that I had from the paper pad, from the paper sheet, and I put them on there. Obviously I still have to write the letter, but I'm not going to do that on camera. Then I have some Easter chocolate. Easter chocolate, always very cute. And I have another little envelope with the wooden bunnies. I really don't know what you would use them for, but I thought they were really cute. Wooden bunnies and the confetti. in the same colors as this envelope. I did a video showing you all the ideas for making mail without using craft supplies, and I made these super cute cupcake liner rosettes. And I really want to use it because I think yellow and green are quite the Easter colors, but I don't know how. I just want to do some last decorating. I also have these really cute doilies that I think I could use. I just have to figure it out, and then I will finish it up and wrap it up and hopefully make this into a nice package. Okay, so I wrote down 3 questions. What came first, the chicken or the egg? I don't know, what's an Easter meal tag without a question about eggs, right? And then what is the best thing about Easter and your favorite Easter memory? And I will also fill in mine, but I'm going to do that off camera. Okay, so obviously I'm not sending this letter yet, so I'm not really closing it yet, but I just want to finish this because I want to show you what it looks like in the end. I already showed you I have this super cute Easter themed ribbon. Obviously you do not need this. You can also wrap your letter with, for example, baker's twine, or you can just pop your letter in an envelope like that, but I just like tying everything together because, well, I don't know, it just looks pretty and fun. And it gives, if you have like pretty ribbon or lace or whatever, or nice color twine, it just gives your package a little extra something. And also, what I love about baker's twine or ribbon is that it's not heavy at all. So, is this working? Oh, I have a little bit. Okay, so I'm just tying this up. So, it doesn't look perfect, but I still have to finish the letter and stuff anyway, so I'm going to be wrapping this up again. And then these will just be in the envelope. And then that is my package. So, that is my video for now. By the way, don't you think this chick looks incredibly evil? Okay, that's my letter for now. I hope this gave you some inspiration. I hope it motivates you to start writing some letters again. And I really hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of those. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll put all the links in the description down below. I will try to tell you where everything that I used came from, but just in case I missed something, or if I wasn't able to find something, just send me a message, leave me a comment, and I will try to locate that for you. And yes, thank you for watching. Bye bye!